Google Drive is cloud storage through Google that you may already be using. Your files are stored and backed up remotely on the internet no matter where you are. Using Google Drive FileStream, an app for your Mac, you can move files from your computer to Google Drive and continue to work on them on your computer as you always have. Like with CrashPlan, it will work with almost any type of file and even allow you to go back in time to past versions, up to 30 days or 100 revisions of the file. To begin, go to the Finder and open your Applications folder. You should see an application called Google Drive FileStream. If you don't see it, you may have a different application called Backup and Sync. You'll need to switch over to Google Drive FileStream if this is the case. Please see our video on that topic if you don't see Google Drive FileStream. In this case, though, I do have Google Drive FileStream installed, so I'm going to double-click it to open it. The first time I open it, I'll be asked to sign with my Google account, which I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to enter my password. And that's all there is to it. You're now set up on Google Drive FileStream. Once Google Drive has been set up, you'll see a new Google Drive on your desktop, and you'll also see it in the sidebar over here in Finder. The Google Drive contains at least one folder called My Drive. This will be the files you already have stored in Google. You may also have a Shared Drives folder if you're a member of any shared drives. I'd like to focus on the My Drive folder though. As you can see, I already have 3 Google Docs in this folder. What I want to do is move the files on my computer to My Drive. What I would recommend doing is creating a new folder in your My Drive for all the files that will come from your computer. I'll right-click and choose New Folder, and I'll give it a name. I'll call this one simply Storage. And you'll notice a cloud icon next to all the files in my Drive. This means that they're available only when you're connected to the internet. But I want my storage folder to be available offline, so I'm going to right-click on it, and I'm going to choose Google Drive FileStream and Make Available Offline. Once you see the green check mark, anything you put in this folder will be available even if you're not connected to the internet. Let's go into the new storage folder, and right now we have nothing in here. This is a brand new folder, but I'm going to move some files from my computer to this folder. As you can see, I have a few things here on my desktop. I have a few pictures, and I also have a Word document. I'm going to create a new folder here again, and I'm going to call this one Desktop. I can move these to my new desktop folder, and you'll notice when I'm moving them, I have a green plus symbol on my mouse. This means it's going to move a copy over and not actually take them off of my desktop. So I copy them in this folder. If we go into it now, we'll see that all these files are here, but they're also still on my desktop. There's actually an easier way to do this so you don't have to just copy them over and then delete what you have here once you finish the copy. So I'm going to go ahead and open a new Finder window. And I'm going to go to my Documents folder. This is another location. I have a little bit more here. I have a few Word documents, folders, a spreadsheet, a presentation, and a movie. So like we did with the desktop, I'm going to create a new folder here. I'm going to simply call it Documents. Now as you can see, I have a lot of files in my Documents folder. I have a couple of folders, I have a few Word documents, a spreadsheet, and a presentation. I can do the same thing I did before on the desktop, which is simply select all of these and drag them into the new folder I created, making the copy. But I'd like to show you a different way of doing this. I can actually select everything in this folder. Let's say I had hundreds of files in here. I could hold down the Command key and press A, and it'll automatically select everything for me. Now I'm also going to hold down the Command key when I drag them over. Now you'll notice that I don't have the green plus symbol next to my mouse anymore. This is telling me it's going to copy everything into this folder. So as you could see, those files have left my Documents folder, and they are now in the new Documents folder in my Storage folder. And everything you'll see here has the green check mark on it because I made the original storage folder available offline. So everything that's inside of it will still be accessible even when I'm disconnected from the internet. By placing your files in Google File Stream, you can rest assured that they are backed up and available wherever and whenever you need them. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our help desk at help.fcasd.edu.